in AutoCAD software of projection of points. First, we'll go into the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode, and then type limits, LIMITS. So specify lower left corner is default is 0, 0. So we will going to specify 297, 210. Limits 0, 0. So 297, 210. Then accept. Then go for limits again. Sorry, 297, 210. 210. Then go to zoom all. So go to line command. So first we will take up any arbitrary point on the screen and then drag it and place it here, and then draw a vertical line and go to offset. Set the distance as 297. You select this line and offset it here. Then go to 210 and you offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.7x. Then go to fillet. So select this and this. Similarly, you select this and this. Then you select this and this. So now we'll go for the text. So select some point, specify start point, put the caps lock off, and the start point as specify height as 4, rotation angle as 0, and type 13. So a point is lying on VP, comma 20 mm below HP, 20 mm below HP, and 30 mm behind slash in front slash from LPP. Draw its projections and name the side view. So now you're going to start the drawing. So we go for layer and create one more layer, which is XY. Then go to line weight and make it that XY layer as 0.13 and this layer as 0.05, and say OK and close it. Now we'll go for a line command. Specify first point, select any arbitrary point and drag it and draw the horizontal line, and similarly go to the line command and draw a vertical line, which is as shown. And here, by using the text, write HP, put the caps lock on, and here you write vertical plane, and here you write LPP. And then zoom window, bring it near to your screen, and go to ortho off, go to move, select this, move it appropriately to the place wherever you want to place it. Then go to zoom previous and then go to offset. So the distance is 30 mm. So select 30, type 30 and take the vertical and offset by 30 mm, and then offset, take the distance of 20. So you select this line, horizontal line, and below the XY line you drop it. Then go to fillet. Since the radius is 0, you select between these two. Then go to trim, select this line and trim it here, and then go to line, take intersection of this at the rate of 50 less than 135. Then go to trim this line till here. Now we will go for break this and break this. Similarly you break this and similarly you break this. Then go to erase and erase these two lines. Similarly you break this. Now we take to the near to the screen and then go to this line and go to change. CH is the command. Go to layer and make it XY line. Select this XY. So this line will have a thickness of 0.13. Then we will go for DDIM and go to modify, go to lines. So make it offset from the origin is 3. That is, this gap from here to here will be 3. Then go to symbols, arrow size is 4. and then go to text. Text height is 4, then it should be above, and then align with the dimension line, and offset from the origin is 3. That means from the line to the text will be 3, and say again go to modify and go to primary units. So the precision you make it 0 in the linear dimension and say OK, and then close. Then go to leader, LEA, put the ortho mode on, take nearest point on this and drag it from here, and annotation options none. Similarly here go to leader, nearest on this and drag it here, annotation options and none, and go to explode this line and this line, erase this and also this. So now we'll go for donut, take 0 and make it 3, outside diameter as 3, center of the donut will be intersection of these two, then this center of donut is intersection of these two, and this center of donut is the intersection of these two. Once you do that, now we will go for again copy this arrowhead from nearest point on this to perpendicular to this line. So we have this, then go to dtext, put the caps lock off and type this as A and this as A dash and this as A double dash. Then dtext, mark this point, put the caps lock on, X and type Y and write X1 and this as Y1. And then again move, put the ortho off, select this line and move it here, then from here, then from here, and then from here. Now we go for A double dash, A dash and then A. Then go to leader, take center of this, take this, since the ortho mode is off, you just click on this and go to ortho mode on, annotation options and none, and go to dtext and ortho is on, caps lock on, type LSV here. So then move it and place it wherever you want. Then once you do that, then go to dim vertical, center of this, to center of this, you're going to get the dimension as 20. Dim horizontal, take center of this and center of this, and this will be 30, and dim angle ANG, DIM ANG, select this line and this line, and this will be 45 degrees. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing. And here need to write the point. So here point capital A lies in both third as well as fourth quadrant, then but in fourth quadrant the side view will be RSV. So then go to move and move these two text somewhere here, and then go to zoom previous and just go to save and go to the appropriate directory and drive and type P13 and then click on save. So this is how you will be able to create the AutoCAD drawing in